The 2025 MasterCraft fleet comes stacked with features designed to make your on-water experience better. Each of the 5 models in the NXT family are equipped with a standard 7-inch touchscreen and an updated intuitive interface. From here, you'll control Surfstar. Simply select your desired wave size, and the user-friendly software handles the rest. New for 2025, you'll find an integrated volume knob nestled conveniently within the armrest. Now you can effortlessly adjust the volume, mute or unmute the music, and skip songs, all without ever taking your eyes off the water. Below the dash, each NXT model comes equipped with a standard wireless phone charger to keep your phone charged up all day long.